Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a Gucci makeup tutorial which is inspired by her. As you can see in the video, if you can see, as she did a Gucci makeup. I really like it, so I will be trying to recreate her makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I do this look, please keep on watching.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter.
So now for the palette, I'm going to be using this, which is Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced. So as you can see that it's really very beautiful palette, as you can see this. So for the first shade, I'm going to be using this, which is It's Cashmere. As you can see. So now as you can see, I'm blending this shade and I'm using this brush which is from Zoeva.
It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like.
So now I'll be taking this palette which is from James Charles palette color. As you can see, this apply that onto my outer corner of the eye.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos where you go.
So now I'll be taking this shade which is orange color. So I'll be taking with this brush also, which is from Morphe.
Every corner twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Concealer which is from Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm gonna be cutting my eye crease, which is semi-cut crease.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see.
So now I'll be taking this glitter shade, and this is called Diamonds for Breakfast. As you can see, it's a silver shade. So I'm gonna be taking with this flat brush, and I'm just gonna apply it onto the cut crease area.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So as you can see that I have applied the glitter, so now I will be doing my wing liner, which is I'm gonna be using from NYX. This is the matte liquid liner. So I will be doing in off camera and I will be right back, and plus I will be using lashes also, and I will be right back. So yeah guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna be doing now the makeup, which is the Gucci makeup. I will be doing the symbols also, so see you on my next video. So I'll be taking with this brush, which is fluffy brush. It's a blending brush which is from Morphe. So I'll be taking from this palette, James Charles again, and I'll be taking the first shade, which is orange.
Driving round with my baby, tough drops and rain.
raindrops. Motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy. And
so now I'll be taking this shade and I'm gonna apply it over here.
my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away. Yeah, like New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got love blind, and ooh yeah, got my heart out and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old. I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind, and ooh yeah, got my heart out and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old. Down in Cali, driving round with my baby. Teardrops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I'll be walking away, yeah.
So now I'll be doing the Gucci symbol, so the Gucci logo, sorry. So I'll be using with this, which is from NYX. This is the white liquid liner, as you can see, with the help of, let's get this inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna be recreating it now. I hope you all can see. I'm doing this. It is okay. Gonna be doing it. Okay. No words, huh? Okay, so somewhat I have done the Gucci symbol, as you can see. So I'm gonna be doing the rest of the face and I'll be right back.
Tropical vibes are taking over.
So yeah guys, this is the final look. As you can see that I have done this Gucci makeup look. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and comment on my video, and please give this video a thumbs up, and please do follow me in Instagram. Thank you everyone. Love you all.